Kentucky Emergency Management is also planning for this wintry weather. Leaders with the department say they're preparing for several potential concerns, including wind damage, power outages, and snow and extreme cold. Officials also emphasize the benefits of Kentuckians knowing early that a storm like this is coming.
They can look at, how does this affect me as an individual? Do I need to maybe change my plans certain days? Do I need to make sure, the generator starts, that I've got, additional food, if something were to happen and I have, without power, or maybe I'm going to work to, talk to my friends or family about accommodations, or the more time is always a better thing.
Leaders with Kentucky Emergency Management say they've already had discussions with federal agencies about help with recovery efforts if they need it.
Governor Andy Beshear says the state's emergency management will be watching power outages this weekend. He's advising Kentuckians to use extra precautions to avoid frostbite if they're going to be outside as those temperatures drop. He also shared an important reminder that if you lose power and have a generator, to make sure it's outside and away from your home to avoid any carbon monoxide poisoning risks. He says rolling blackouts like we saw last spring are unlikely with this system.
I believe with the temperatures we're seeing here, we should be okay. My bigger concern on this one is the branches. How many branches we're going to have fall, especially tomorrow, how many people will knock power out for, and how long it takes to get power up.
Beshear says cities will prepare warming centers as needed.